Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. This is a very quick video for you to show you how easy it is to make a whole grain, wholesome bread at home from scratch. Let's make a deal first. This video will just show you the ingredients that will go in there. If you are interested in the detailed measurements, cooking time for this bread, please let us know in the comments below and we will be happy to share the exact measurements and the exact cooking time in the comments below. So as you can see, or as you could see in the video, I started off with buckwheat, then added some oats, followed by chia seeds. Next will be some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. So right from here we have lots of minerals like zinc and iron already in there. And next one will be to add some flax seeds. You know, always make sure to get your daily dose of flax seeds, not only to cover your or part of your needs for omega-3 fatty acids, but also flax seeds are packed with anti-inflammatory components and lignans as well. Then to make the bread a little bit more fluffy or airy, I added some baking soda, and of course if you add baking soda, make sure to always add some source of something that is a little bit acidic. So I went for apple cider vinegar in here to activate the baking soda, and of course for liquid I use water. Actually, this bread was my first bread that I ever made at home from scratch, I think, or at least the only one I can recall. And the funny thing is, I did not measure anything out, so if you are interested in measurements, I would have to do it again and write everything down. But I just threw everything in the bowl and added some water until the consistency was nicely, and waited a couple of moments for the chia seeds and the flax seeds to like soak up a little bit of the liquid. And yeah, all you have to do is put everything in a container, or it's not a container, I'm missing the word right here, to go in the oven. And make sure to line it with a baking sheet or non-stick silicone foil or whatever you have at hand. Yeah, as you can see in the video, I wondered if the consistency was right, but it turned out to be just fine. Yeah, this is what I was talking about, like a silicone non-stick baking sheet that is reusable, so to avoid using that much baking sheet or regular baking sheets. I think the bread was somewhat around half an hour to 45 minutes in the oven, but like I said, I would be more than happy to do it all over again and write everything down to let you guys know if you're interested. Just some words for whole grain bread in general. I think it's a great way to incorporate more whole grains into your diet, especially when you're making bread from scratch. You can choose what kind of grains go in the bread, so you can have a lot of variety in your bread. And in the end, to make it taste good, or to make the end result sandwich taste good, you can always add like bean spreads like hummus or another bean spread and tempeh on there, and lots of green leafy vegetables and other vegetables. And yeah, like I said, if you liked the video and want to have more information on the measurements, please let us know. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.